Hello friends and welcome back to our Sniper Plus video series, and this is our fourth video of the series, and today I am going to explain you about the advanced and the very most important features of the Sniper Plus, that is auto quantity feature and hybrid mode feature. Okay, without wasting of time, let's begin the session. Okay, first click on the Sniper Plus, click on yes. Okay, now checking for the update. Now in the earlier video we have discussed about the money management things, the basic configuration and dynamic position sizing. Okay, now in this video we are going to discuss about the auto quantity feature. Here auto quantity is nothing but this auto quantity is applicable for only NSE. To automate the quantity, like example, if you have 1 lakh in your trading account or if you have 10,000 in your trading account and you have multiple symbols, like you have up to 300-400 symbols. Okay, now currently I have added only 135 symbols here. Okay, so you have some 135 symbols in the symbol settings. Depending upon the capital, the quantity will be taken automatically. So that is called auto quantity here. Like imagine you have 10,000 rupees and the current price of the Sun TV is 492.55. If you're putting 10% means the Sun TV will be taking 2 quantity here because the quantity is in 10%. Okay, now so how to do the settings here? I will show you how to do settings. So first we need to go to settings. Here we can see already we have written the settings. So now here I will be adding the lot size. So lot size for NSE is always 1. The auto quantity we have to add how many percentage we wanted to keep. Like let it be 10%. So the 10% of the capital, whatever the 10% of the capital, the quantity will be taken automatically. On the basis of the quantity will be taken automatically. Okay, now here we can see we have quantity like 10, 25% and most it is 10% only. We can see in some script, most of the script we can see there is 10% here. Okay, now where to add the capital? Okay, now we have to go to settings. Here we can see the total equity. So we will add the total equity as 10,000. So my capital is just 10,000 rupees. Now click on save. Based on the 10,000 rupees, automatically the quantity will be adjusted to the symbol. So when a buy call is executed in a BEL, automatically the quantity will be added. Like if I am giving 10%, then the 8 quantity will be added automatically. So I will show you with an example. Okay, let us just open AmiBroker. Okay, here I am going to trade for all the 135 symbols. Like let's see whether it is working for each and every quantity depending upon the capital here. Okay, let us play. Now here it is impossible to trade for 135 symbols, but by using the analyzing method we can trade for 135 symbols at the same time. Our sniper can capture even if the chart is not open using the analyzing method. Okay, by using the analyzing method it will do. Okay, so let us bar replay. Switch on the analysis, then scan. Now the trade got started. Now we have like open trade like 8 open trade now. Now you can see the open trade is increasing. Let's minimize the AMI broker. Now come to Sniper Plus. Now our robo can capture even the order even if the AMI broker is minimized. Here we can see the total profit. Okay, depending upon the capital the quantity has taken. We can see here. If a capital is not sufficient, then it will show the order will be getting rejected by placing the quantity as 0. Below we can see the open profit, closed profits and the total profit and all. Now here closed profit also we are see whichever the symbols are closed here. Now here we have open trades 51. So now this is how we are trading. Here we can see almost 53 open trades, but in 10,000 rupees the capital broker will not allow us to trade. The maximum is like 10%, means it will take only 8 to 10 symbols at a time, not more than 8 to 10 pages. So we have another feature for that. I'll show you with the example also. So first we need to come to symbol setting. Before we have to close these things, that is open order, closed order and cancelled orders. Okay, now come to settings. Now I have cleared all the open orders, closed order, cancelled orders. Now just go to settings. Then we will tell the robot to take only maximum 8 open orders. If other orders came like more than 8 orders, then it will reject the orders or cancel the order. Okay. So now go to settings. Here we have open orders, open trade, maximum open trades. Okay, here let us keep it as 8. Then other order will be cancelled automatically. Okay, now click on save. Now come to open order. Here bar reply. Let's bar reply. Now it has been started. Now it's 7, 8. Here we can see that open trades are 8. Here maximum open trades are 8. Now other orders has been cancelled here. Here we can see LT, then Marcio, then Axis Bank. These are ignored. That is because maximum open trades. We already given those conditions there. So if the order is cancelled or the order is closed, then it will take again. Okay. Now we can see in the closed order also there is closed orders. Now here in the open orders, the open order is 8. Okay, this is all about the auto quantity and the maximum open trades. Let's close everything before explaining another feature. Now next feature, let's see for the next feature. Next feature is hybrid mode. Now I will explain what is hybrid mode here. Now here, imagine you got a buy call at 100 and the stop loss is 98 and stop loss has been triggered and you are in 2 rupees loss, sorry. But the trend has not been changed. Imagine you are getting buy call and the trend has been not changed and sell call has been not appended in your AMI broker chart or any other miracle. So trend has been not changed, but the stop loss will show the 2 points or 5 points, something like that. So what a sniper will do is, if the trend is not changed, it will place the limit order, the stop loss limit order at the buy price, and 100 rupees again it will place limit order. And if the market is going up, it will execute the same order again at 100 rupees. It will take under order as 100 and it will go on. Like if the target is achieved, Okay, but if the trend is changed, imagine if the market is going up to 98, stop loss, and the stop loss has been triggered, and if the market is coming down, we got a sell call, then the buy will be removed automatically from the sniper, will remove that one. Now the stop loss, let it be 5 and target 1 is 10. The target 1 quantity is let us keep quantity also 1 and target 1 quantity as 1. Okay, now hybrid mode, yes. Now click on save. Now here Tata Steel, we had took it for Tata Steel. Now we have enabled the hybrid mode for Tata Steel. Okay, now come to the chart. Now let us see how the hybrid mode will work. Now here first we need to see whether all the open trade closed and cancel orders are closed here. Okay, now click on play. Now we got a buy call, that is 724 and the stop loss is 722. Okay, let us bar play again. Now the stop loss has been triggered. If the stop loss has been triggered but the trend is still in positive, then a Sniper Plus Robo has replaced limit order buy. That means buy limit order at the buy price. Now 722 is a buy price. It is the opening price is 724. Now it is there is same price has it been placed here, we can see, and it is waiting for the breakout. Okay, now here trend is still in positive, so let us play again. Now we can see here we got a sell call, but when the sell call has generated, the buy call means there was a limit order in a buy. The trend has been changed, the stop loss buy has been removed. So we can see here first we got a buy call. Okay, second one has a hybrid buy call. The hybrid buy was removed automatically. You can see it. It has been closed before the breakout. Means before entering the call, the order has been closed. There is no profit, there is no loss. Here we can see that one. The first one is -2. Here it is 0. So there is no profit, there is no loss. There is still right now also. Okay. Now let us play again. Now we are placed the sell call as 720. The sell stop loss has been triggered here. So we placed the stop loss because the trend is still in negative. It has not been changed. So there is no profit, there is no loss, because the breakout, it is waiting for the breakout. Okay. Now play again. Okay, now the market has come down. We got a sell call again here. So we can see here the hybrid mode order has been achieved. The profit and the what is the stop loss here mentioned here. We can see it. Okay, let's play again. Okay. Now the target has been achieved. Okay, now target 1 has been achieved now. Now come to Sniper Plus. Here we can see there are 4 orders, that is buy, sell, sell. Okay, first we have a buy call that is in a paper trade. Second one is a buy call. The trade was cancelled before the breakout. And the third one is sell call. We are in loss here. And the third one is a breakout, hybrid breakout, and now the target has been achieved here. Okay, 2 call in loss and 2 call in profit. Okay, profit, loss and net profit we can see here, that is 6 respectively 6 and 415 and 1.85. Okay, now here this is how the hybrid mode works here. In the next video I will show you how to place the order in MT4 like in the AmiBroker to MT4, because we got a comment from client and the viewer that how to place the order in MT4. So I will just show you how to place an order in MT4 from the AmiBroker to MT4, how the trade is, how to trade in Forex. And finally, thank you so much for watching our video, and please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification about the upcoming videos of us. Thank you so much for watching.